Hey everyone, this is a Harbor Breeze Aero. This is in JJ's basement. Here's the light. I don't know when this is from, but this is a very odd fan. Cool motor and stuff up there. Chains are a little hard to pull. It's a pretty cool fan. There's the low. It blows a little breeze, kind of fast. Here's medium. Blades are a bit bent out of clock, but it's pretty good. It blows a little breeze, but nothing crazy. It's a Harbor Breeze, not the best fan. Alright, here's high. Just got a little wobble because the blades are out of clock. Goes a decent speed. It pushes a good amount of air, actually. Alright. Thank you for watching. Bye.